Here's a classy looking Buick. It's a 1964 Buick Riviera 2-door sport coupe. Dressed in glossy black, riding on staggered Riddler wheels. Chrome 18s in the front, chrome 20s in the rear for a great looking stance. Numbers matching, 425 V8 underneath the hood. It's a 340 horsepower engine. Paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the front chrome, grille, headlight surrounds. Nicely equipped car too, power steering, power brakes, AC. Want to mention I've not had the AC compressor kick on and off. But take a look at this paint. Now it's black, of course, you're going to find an imperfection here or there in it, but overall, man, what a great looking shine to it. Look at the reflection of the ceiling. This one will definitely turn some heads. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. This car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a good look at those Riddlers. And then take a look down the passenger side of this beauty. Look how straight that is. And you know if you have poor bodywork in black that it is gonna show up. Blue interior, original color of the interior. Of course, bucket seats, shifter on the center console. Also has power windows, power driver's seat, tilt column, speed alert. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. So chrome, also nice shape on this car. It's a little bit of the bright work around like the taillights, just a very slight pitting, but not bad. Then again, take a look at that paint in the rear deck lid, reflection in it. Take your time looking through the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. Another thing is, don't forget, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors if you can't make it yourself, to lay your own eyes on it in person. Don't be afraid to have somebody come look at it for you. This one does look as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Look at down that driver's side and the reflection coming off that black paint. And again, really free of much of any major nicks, dings, or scratches or anything like that on the side. But the interior, let's take a little closer look at that. In the black and blue, cool combination. As you can see from here, there's your power seat. Power window switches down on the door. Headliner looks good, and you'll be able to see still pictures of the rear seats. Might be a little easier to see that when we climb in the back and get the pictures that way of the stills. All right, let's fire this up. Again, that number's matching, 425. Odometer reads 30,273. I can't confirm or deny that as original. Once a car is a certain age, the miles don't stay on the title with it. It just gets marked exempt. Of course, there's that speed alert that you can set. Take a look at the top of the dash. Looks good. Aftermarket stereo, looks like a Jensen. They did have that working. Just got to get in a station with some reception here. And we are indoors here. It's a little tough to get reception, but that's a strong station. This radio does work. sounds. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. A little rumble coming out of this. Sounds good. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood open. Check out that engine bay and wrap this up. It's an underside of the hood shot. Nice and clean, tidy engine bay. Now again, numbers matching. 425 V8 power steering, power brakes, AC. You're going to see the Wildcat 445 up on that top. It's a 340 horse engine. And if I'm not mistaken, it might have a little different sticker, a different air cleaner in the top. Should be 465 horse. But anyway, Wildcat engine, numbers matching. 425 cubic inches, just so we're clear on that one. I'm sure the Buick experts out there will let me know if I have that correct or not. As far as the torque goes, I know it's 340 horse and 425 cubic inches. Looks good, sounds good, and you'll be able to see a picture of the stamping on the engine, the VIN tag, and the cowl tag, all in the still pictures. 1964 Buick Riviera 2-door Sport Coupe. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1964 Buick Riviera. Black on the exterior and blue on the inside. Our radio does work. That's an aftermarket unit. Let's see how she does on the road. Fuel gauge is working. It's showing about a quarter of a tank. Speedometer is working well. Our blower motor does work. And our wipers are also in functioning order. Maybe one tire with a flat spot to give a little bit of a feel in the steering wheel. You can probably see that. Nothing excessive. These cars do sit sometimes. It's an automatic on the center console. Very easy to drive, comfortable car. Letting go of the wheel, she stays straight in the lane. Nice smooth suspension. Luxurious ride as far as the suspension goes for sure. Let's go around the roundabout and accelerate one more time. These cars have a very unique style too that you don't find in other cars. There it is. Very good acceleration, powerful engine. Check out this 1964 Buick Riviera at uniqueclassiccars.com.